The video, there's a beer in my hand.
There's only one that there isn't.
That's the high boy.
Yep.
Never told your family name. You got to stand for something, or you fall for anything.
Watch, our tiny channel is going to get copyright striked just because of the music.
What?
Watch, our tiny little channel is going to get copyright striked just because of the music.
They have been doing that.
Yeah, I know.
There. You really gonna bend wire that back together too?
See, this is an old shop chair.
Doesn't need to be pretty, just needs to be functional.
Have you ever checked out our YouTube channel? I'm driving a fire truck through the back lot with a beer in my hand.
We have two. Count them, two.
And then the first one, what was it? You were humping an exercise machine with a beer in your hand.
Yes, with a beer in my hand. With your helmet on.
See what it
Too long.
actually is.
I didn't almost fall backwards.
Too long.
And guess what? I'm behind the camera, so there's no proof.
I'll be back.
Or if you had a
Oh, okay.
stick, you could stick in it.
I'm working. I had a stick in the mud once.
Thank you.
While we're waiting, we need entertainment. Austin, go. Oh, okay.
Where's your sense of adventure?
Yeah.
It's gone.
That's a reference to the name of the channel. Just in case you didn't know that. Get it?
Adventures of every
You
day.
don't want to interview me. It's not good.
You don't understand. We've had this man humping an exercise machine.
Yeah, that was the last time I got crabs. You want to make it to our YouTube channel? Too late, you're probably already on it.
Right now, it's just your shoulder.
Oh, you're the shoulder queen.
Breathe, man, breathe. Breathe in and out. In.
And out.
Just don't play with any more pry bars. We'll
We'll
drop
make
them.
this a Richard Simmons video if you want to. Way like Tom Sawyer.
Breathe, man.
You were ruining my alcohol. What you doing?
Just think, tomorrow you'll watch this and you'll laugh because you're laughing right now.
Did you know you could not run through a campground? You can only ran because it's past tense.
That took me a minute.
You never heard that one. I tell you the other one, but your sister's in the room.
I wasted the wire. I need to put in the center of it.
Oh.
Aw.
Boo.
I got duct tape.
Okay.
Go for it.
I'll try it out when it's done.
Yeah, you fell through the chair once. The second time can't hurt anything. Let's get close up.
Would you calm down, Shauna? You've been on my ass all day.
Oh, whatever.
I'm gonna flip out and kick your ass here in a minute. No, because you'd like it too much. I don't know.
Looking for something that we can take to the side of it at least.
For what?
Yeah.
For strength and support.
Strength, strength.
A piece of metal like that would work.
Not cutting up that pry bar.
Not the pry bar, but like something else.
We got the pry purposes.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Squirrels and
Yeah,
such.
I need this for shooting squirrels inside.
This goes on there.
We should put a warning label on the back of that. It says, "We are not at fault for accidents."
Oh, warning! Do not sit, but sit anyway because we don't care.
I'm with the rodeo.
Get up! Get up! I'm gonna shit out of you tonight either, woman. Well, it looks normal. Get up, woman! I don't care, shut up! Busy.
I don't want to waste this, so hold on to it.
Good morning.
Are you ready, Squidward?
No.
Good, because we've got customers.
Nobody asked you.
This ain't your channel.
This is the red, what is it, show?
You what?
Bad ass fell on the
Hey,
floor from the
red what?
Spencer
What do you got
Channel.
you always watch, Willie?
What?
Red green.
No, it's red green.
Red green. This is a red green show.
If the women don't find you handsome, they should at least always find you handsome. Is that true, baby? If the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy.
No, that explains a lot.
I know, how did I pick up something that good looking? Look at me.
Yeah, I know. Look at you.
Handy, Willie. How about you, Austin? Good as new. Your news not so good.
I don't chant. I'm the cameraman.
Here he goes.
Oh,
Here he goes. Here's the test.
Sit gently.
Sit gently.
He's not dead.
He's going
Yes.
down.
Oh,
There he is. I'm done. It was fun, though.
Do you need help again? Willie,
I drank too much.
Up.
Hold up. Oh, I didn't count 3. 1. I need something to get back to.
yeah, there's a wall.
1,
2.
2, 3.
1, 2,
That was exciting.
Throw it out the back door.
You don't want it no more?
No. We're not going for round 2.
No.
Yeah.
Your barbed wire help. Barbed wire.
Barbed wire.
No, it did. It broke in the center that time. It's fine.
I'm done.
Oh, come on. We can make this a series of fixing the freaking chair.
Spencer Chair Shop. We do not fly planes. And that's a fact.
Well, I guess he ain't lying. Don't fall through it.
Probably break that too.
No, you won't break the cooler, bud.
You can go
Alright.
get the roll around chair out there and set on it.
Yes. Okay, so are we done here then?
I think we're done.
Okay.
I should find something stupid to tape later.
Yeah, sounds good.
No.
Tight, please.
Tight.
Tightly.
Tight.